Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Live a little early this morning in case you all want to catch up or have any questions for me. Good morning, David. Any questions you all might have, just drop in chat. Hope you had an amazing weekend. Followed our discipline challenge, but I hope you had a good weekend. Good morning, Cora. Good morning. Yeah, I started the live just a little early for you all so we could catch up, over the weekend. Market opens in 18 minutes? We got some time for some questions. Welcome. So, what everyone get into over the weekend? Anything fun? I know you all watched some football. That's nice, D-Mill. That's a nice win, huh? I'm glad they got beat, to be honest. Sorry if I trigger any Ohio State fans. Good morning. Sorry, Jonathan. Yeah, Georgia pulled off a nice win. I'm gonna watch this. So I'm not taking any longs above this pre-market high until we invalidate this zone here, this supply we have. What's up, Wes? I missed what you said. My bad. "12 minutes, everyone. I got on early so we could catch up, so. Oh, why the Texas Longhorns didn't get in? Bouncing off that point of control. You all see that? We need some swing trades. Let's get December over with, and we're gonna look for some swing trades to start next year. Hello. Good morning. "10 minutes until market opens, everyone." Make sure you get your coffee. You don't want to forget your coffee before we start trading. It's going good. Jacob, how's your morning going? I hit legs this morning. I usually hit push day on Monday, but I mixed it up and did some legs. What did you all hit? For those that's already worked out. Nice. Pull day for you after work? No. Yeah, I usually do push day on Mondays as well, but wanted to really try to hit legs a little more. I feel like if there's any part I slack with, as far as lifting weights goes, it's legs. Which I don't think I slack much, but I feel like I could hit it more often throughout the week. Nice. Chest and core. I had a little core as well. Can't walk. I'll probably be in pretty bad shape in the morning from leg day, but we'll see. It's no good, Jackson. All right, it's almost time, everyone. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. All right, Team Bull, it's almost time. We got about 5 minutes before market open.
Elias approaching to 783. Still nothing here.
Any questions for me? We have like 4 minutes until market opens. Still got time. Drop them questions. The crowd will be here soon, so good morning, Future Fame. What's up, Danny? Steve, how you doing? Good morning. 44. I don't know what your name is, so I'm gonna call you 44. Manny, good morning. Whew, this coffee is strong this morning.
Yeah, 4 minutes, y'all. What are you watching today, Grizzly Gaunt? You see something you like?
We have supply right above pre-market high. I'm gonna watch that. If we break above 868, that's invalid. That's all I have off the open. What you got?
You know, I don't see a whole lot of levels that I love.
We got to be
That's
careful
it.
this week for sure.
Yeah, I'm going to be very cautious today.
FOMC, we've already had some weird price action for December. It's almost price action like everyone's taking off, like all the big dogs and stuff, but we've had decent volume, so I don't know. People's throwing in the towel for the year already. We'll see.
Possible. I mean, December is typically a slower month, so in terms of volume.
What's the time frame? This is 5-minute time frame. That's what we'll always watch on here together.
I have the opening now.
Manny says, first day trading my Apex after my eval passed on the first day. Thank you. Awesome, Manny. Hope you reach a payout, man. All right, everyone. It is time to focus in. We got 1 minute, 50 seconds. Or, yeah. If you all would like to, you can share the live. I appreciate that for everyone that shares it.
2 minutes.
And we'll get rolling.
Comes into effect, baby. It's about that time.
DGen Jake says, dude, I literally just opened a new funded. I'm going to full port on your trade. Please do not do that, DGen. I mean, you're living up to your name. I see what you're doing there, but do not waste your funded account. Could be a losing trade we take. So. Steam room has opened up my lungs this morning. No pressure on me, huh? All right, real quick, everyone, give me a yes if you can hear me. The market's about to open. Let me make sure everyone can hear me, see my screen, all that good stuff. Nice. All right, everyone. Let's make this week count. We have FOMC on Wednesday. Could be tricky. I know we've had a couple rough weeks in a row. 3. Our trading's been solid, but the price action has not been the best. So we're going to be extra cautious this week. We got FOMC. And they're calling for rate cuts. They're predicting rate cuts. So we'll see. Let's do this.
Where do you don't get Wi-Fi that's suitable for my standards, then I'm going to be spending a lot of time out in the mountains.
All right, everyone. Good luck. Let's do this.
What a crazy bounce.
Right at VWAP.
So what on the weekly level, orange line, 830.
The zones, my indicator creates these zones for me, right? So they're based off the hourly. That's what I prefer to day trade. These are hourly zones. You're scared? You should be, DJ. You should be very scared. Oh, that's a nice candle. Yeah, next week, Corey, I'd say. We're still on December expiration with the futures, yes. We switch whenever TradingView rolls. Whenever TradingView rolls, that's a good sign it's time to roll on Tradevate. When the volume on the new contracts is more than the current, that's when we switch. Good morning. Yeah, make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning on here. If we break above this 25,868, this zone will be invalid. I can't take no trade off the opening 5 minute and probably opening 2 5-minute candles at least. So let's give it some time. Dang.
Bubbles marked out.
Earthquake hit Japan.
Over here. I am watching some individual names as well for my individual traders. Interesting. Nasdaq's pumping, the SPY is lagging a little bit, so one of them's lying.
Looks like a earthquake hit Japan. 7.6.
Damn.
I mean, they're always getting hit by something there, seems like.
Too big? Is that pretty big, Grizzly? For earthquake?
Oh yeah, right. I mean, I'm no earthquake. We don't get them in Tennessee often. When we do get them, you barely feel them. Very big. You're in Tokyo and felt your hotel shake. That's wild.
Market decided to pump off the open. We'll see if we can keep that moving up. Yeah, we got our pre-market high, pre-market low mapped out. Now wait, 15-minute high, 15-minute low, and we'll see what they'll give us. Where do you live in Tennessee, Grizzly Lock? You're in the hills, right?
Yeah, Knoxville. I live in the outskirts of Knoxville.
Nice. You love it?
I mean, where I live now is cool. It's not as off-grid as I will be, but it's good.
Bro's gonna be ultimate off-grid one day. Changing his name and everything.
Yeah, growing my beard out completely
Yeah.
and a mullet.
A mullet. I'll grow a mullet with you.
You should.
Our mullets out.
It'd be cool to see you with a mullet.
Our mullets out together.
You might be the tallest guy in the world with a mullet. I haven't never seen one taller with a mullet.
6'7" with a mullet.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
You'd have to have a 2-foot mullet for it to be proportionate.
Not if oh, whoops, great jeans here. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Mr. Gene has made it within the first 15 minutes of market open. That's a W.
How's he feeling? He's still sore from the skiing?
He's a little tired, I think. We'll ask him. He just walked outside. When he gets back in, we'll pick his brain. I'm sure he'll have lots to say. I'm sure he'll have all the things to say.
I'm not familiar with that one. Last name Savage. What are you referring to? Let me see. I don't know what that is, to be honest. You have to DM me if you have a link for it. Last name Savage. I want to see this. Honestly, Nick, I don't blame them. I don't do it, but who can blame them? As high as taxes are.
What about taxes?
I was talking about, you'd have to read the chat in Team Bull. There's a few messages on it.
Oh. That whistling diesel guy.
Yeah, he had the LLC set up in Montana to avoid sales tax.
That's literally what every single person with a supercar ever does. That's why you see so many Montana plates. They're just trying to mess with him because he's big.
I promise you, I don't talk about politics or nothing much, but if Trump cuts the federal taxes, I'm gonna throw a biggest party you've ever seen. Inviting everyone to Team Bull. So.
Yeah, no income tax. We'll give everyone a Lambo.
I doubt it'll
Fly from
happen.
Brazil. Income tax gets cut. Done. Easy. Spy's hurting. Spy's having a hard time. Tesla's lagging too. AMD's strong. Interesting. Let's NVIDIA do. NVIDIA's strong too. Both the chips are strong.
Thanks.
Hmm. Just hits different not being out in the mountains today. Back to home base, back to normal life. I gotta get out there soon again. I love trading out there.
It looks. I like how it's set up out there, man. It's got the different trail, the different. I don't know what they're called. The proper term for it is, but I guess different levels of skill. Yeah.
Yep, yeah. Gene got a nice greens, and easy blue. Are you sore? Yeah, Gene's sore. That's your answer. Yes.
I would say so. Is the food good up there? I seen the food you posted, but I couldn't.
Yeah, it's great. It's wonderful, bro. It's super good.
There you go, Jada. Look in chat.
Oh my gosh, what the actual fuck is that?
We need a little more on the front. More of a curl.
Wolverine.
Yeah.
I'm growing a mullet out. You don't want me to grow a mullet? You don't think I look pretty? Why?
She should grow it. You make Gene grow one too. It's part of the job description. You should have read the fine print.
Must grow a mullet. Must have a mullet to be part of the Team Bull.
Yeah.
Do the dreads? I'll grow some dreads too. Utah versus Nebraska, we're probably gonna get cooked though in that bowl game. I wanna be honest. It's not looking great. I look like Larry Bird.
Nice, man. I could see you with it. I did see you with it,
Yeah,
actually.
with the hair too. Gotta have the hair to match it.
I think I seen a
Gotta
picture.
have the hair to match it.
All right, everyone. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. We're just talking. There's no setup right now. I was gonna take shorts if we push back up. I want to test the Asia high for a possible short entry. What do we got? 4 minutes till this candle closes. Let's wait on this candle to close at least. That gives us, we waited, gave the market 15 minutes to settle. I do like a short entry right here, but I just want to give it a little more time. I agree with Grizzology here. Let's see where we close. Wasn't a crazy amount of volume on that, was it? On that previous candle. Yeah, I think everyone's muted right now, not talking. I was looking for a short entry there. I just wanted to give this candle time to close, but I may have missed it. Someone was talking about Jada on IG. Let me tell you something real quick, everyone. While we're waiting, there's no trade to be made right yet.
I'm getting ready with possible NQ shots standing by.
Greg said he's possibly watching NQ shorts, so I'm going to leave that on so you can hear him if he takes them. I'm not taking it unless we pull back. When people make videos like this drama, all this stuff, for one, I never watch drama. Drama does not entertain me. I hate seeing it. I don't look at people's socials, whatever. But anyways, so for some reason, a lot of people like drama. I don't know, they like wasting their time with it. So when they create these videos, even if they're trying to be mean to someone else in their field, it's an advertising
I'll be
strategy.
looking for a short.
It gets viewers, it gets people in their Discord, whatever they're selling. And honestly, even in bad media is good media for, like Jay Dunn, right? He's getting views, making money. So this is how it works in this industry, Ignore the drama and focus on your own money. That's my best piece of advice I'll ever give you. That was just my 2 cents. I guess I'm just a little old school though. I never really pay attention to socials. Unless it's for business, I do like some TikToks. I have to watch myself on there. I will get lost in TikTok if I'm not careful. I feel like Medman gets the worst end of that deal when I do. I send him all them. That's right. They pull you in. Just when you thought you was out, algorithm gets you. Appreciate that, Isaac. Haven't taken a trade. We're still looking. I'm still watching. It's weird closing that candle, right? We closed above VWAP, and it had higher volume than the previous, so I can't really short here. Do you all think it's a good short entry? Let's talk about it. If you see something, if we can all come to agreement on a short, I'm down, but from what I'm seeing, I don't see a short entry here, even though it looks like it's gonna sell off. The previous candle is not telling me I should take shorts. Well, I was looking for a short entry, Team Bull, but that previous candle is not what I wanted to see for it, so.
Yeah,
Me too. I can't short that candle. Even if it goes down, I can't short it.
That supply I was talking about pre-market was it, but I just wanted to give the market time to settle before taking it. That's one way to do it, TJ. Appreciate that, Mr. Babar. Good morning, by the way. I don't know if I told you good morning yet, but
Yeah, it's
welcome in.
time. You guys must go for base hits, everybody. You must go for base hits every single day. It's the only way it works. It's the only way you're gonna make consistent progress on any sort of funded account.
Do we have any news this morning? None. I don't see any.
Kind of did us dirty with that last candle, Grizzly.
Yep, it's like, hey, let's make them think that we're not going to sell off.
Yep. I can't short that, and quite frankly, I don't really want to long it either. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna stay patient with it.
How much snow you got there right now? I seen there's a
Good amount.
massive storm coming towards Colorado over the weekend. Did it get there? Or is it for this week?
It was kind of. It wasn't super crazy. I was a little. Wow! Look at that candle, Grizzly.
I know it.
Wow. That's foul. Higher volume, aggressive wick up, died.
Well, it's setting us up for the 15-minute entry at least.
Yep. See if we can get that. I will watch for, if we close this candle week, I'll watch for move back to like 770-ish with stops above like 808. I might even be willing to put on a little more risk if we like go to this pre-market low here.
I need to look at EMAs more. I need to get them.
But less size.
I just
pretty
need to add
short
them
on
onto
trading
Grizzology.
here.
It'd take like 2 minutes to add them. Like the 9 and 21 or
Let's
something
see if we
EMA.
can- See if we can get that. Jeez Louise.
What?
Guys, we entered the range, didn't take good trade because the price action was not convinced yet.
What did bounce?
So let's see what happened at 783 again.
I'm not gonna short this until we get this candle close, so. This is ridiculous. What are these wicks?
Just 807 have to be our stop if we.
Oh,
I'm trying short.
interesting. We had
I'm in.
relatively-
I'm gonna try some shorts when we touch this 15-minute range area.
770.
770s to yeah. Even in this area here, but 770 be much better. I tried some. I'm gonna keep it light. M and Q. Right here's a better entry at 771. I'm gonna have to keep, well, watch it just come up and stop me out. It's gonna be one of them. I gotta keep my stops at 807 for this to invalidate.
Trying to pick some shorts too, guys. I tried it. 772.
Push down for us. No need to go back up. Just go straight down to lower
Lighter
dip.
size though, keeping it lower risk today.
Come on, push down.
Keeping it lower risk today.
Taking anchor shorts too, guys. Anchor shorts. Entry 771.
Keeping it lower risk today.
If this trade goes bad, I'm blaming you two. Couldn't be my fault.
I was gonna blame you if it goes bad.
Not my fault.
You, please.
It's like
My
the
stop ready for
Spider-Man, everyone
91.
pointing at each other.
Yeah. 91 is my stop. I took it because 783 level, so let's get 721.
There we go.
Keep pushing down. Just rip straight down for us. There's no point in going up.
3 minutes I'm here, guys.
I'm taking an early trim too, because it's Monday and my Mondays suck. So I'm taking an early trim below what I'd like for risk reward to everybody. Doesn't really make a whole lot of sense for how I typically trade the risk reward, but I'd like to see lower. I'd like to see the rest go below like 37. Come on.
I'll break you. I know.
Come on. Go.
All right. I'm trimming, everyone. First trim here.
Nice, guys. Nice.
Stop to end. We'll stop at the 15-minute range low.
Good job, everybody. See if we can get. Let's say we can get below 36 on this. That's what I like to see. Right, one more partial off here at 49. I'm gonna set my stops now at break even at 70. Well, just about. I'm gonna set it at 73. 773.50.
All right. First trade's gonna be a winner. Set it at your entry. If you, yep, right there's your entry. If you hit it, you're done. Move on to the next trade. If you hit your entry, you're done. Let's move on to the next trade. Unless you're willing to give back some profits. I think we can still catch the continuation. But we have to manage our trades, right? Oh. Still like shorts here, everyone. We just, after I trim the first time, if it comes back up to my entry or around the area, I have to get out, lock in the profits. It turns into a scalp. Not ideal, but that's how I manage my trades. Can everyone hear me? Not getting a lot of communication in chat. Just want to make sure. Some weird stuff can happen on these streams. Okay, awesome. I got in at 767. I was wanting to get 770s for my entry. I just didn't get it. I bought market. Or sold market, rather, for a short.
Doggy.
Well, we got a scalp in there. Let's see if we can get another entry.
Well, my hard stop get at 773.50, guys. I might look for re-entry, but I still like the shorts. If you're not in, if you like a trade, you just have to keep your stops above like 80-ish. So we'll take a small dump.
771.
My Mondays suck, so we'll take it.
Hold on.
We'll take it.
I'm looking for another re-entry right here, everyone. I'm watching.
I didn't like that wick originally. Otherwise, I probably would have kept a little more risk on it. Had it up to like
What is it?
781 or something. 781.50. Not the greatest risk reward in terms of my first entry in the last one, like 30 points.
All right, everyone. I'm watching this right here. Let's see.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Just trying to get in this trade. 1 second.
Basically, almost got 1-1.
I'm taking shorts, everyone. I'm risking my profits. Stop 782 is my stop exactly. If it hits it, I will be out. I will not average down. I took shorts again.
There's a Glout back in Schultz.
Come on, push down for us. Everyone knows where my stop is. 781, 782 area.
So far, so good.
Yeah, I want to see if we can actually get low a day out of this. I'm light size, so.
And the chart looks good. It stops about like 781. Something like that. Chart looks decent. Damn, bro, passed the eval that I gave away on Friday. Let's go. Let's go. That's super dope. That's VOD, baby. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do.
There we go. Keep pushing down. There we go. Keep going down.
Let it die.
Death.
Let it die.
All right, trim. There we go. Got filled on my first trim. Stops at entry. Next price target is 722 area. 721, 722 area.
What are you guessing, Gene? Shorts? Gene took the shorts too.
Nice. Move your stops to your entry. This will be a green trade regardless.
What are you looking for, Chris? Low day?
Low days, next trim. Oh. Low days, next trim. I trimmed once. I thought I was unmuted. Trimmed once, stops at entry. Low days, next trim. Then below that, 25,700's final price target, Asia low.
Let it die. Let it die. Nice, Grizzly.
Come on. Give us that move. Do it.
Just let it flush down to like 720. Team Bolt.
It's going to retrace it. I'm still in. Still in. Come on. It's got that previous day point of control we keep bouncing off of. 25,738 area. That's where it is. Still in.
I don't love that volume on that previous 5-minute candle,
Yeah.
but it looks good. The chart looks good. The overall structure.
Yeah, the candlesticks look great. The volume's what's not looking the best.
Yeah, the candlesticks look really good. Candlesticks look wonderful. Candlesticks look good. Volume not as great. as great. Gene, you come say hello. I gotta use the restroom. You guys be nice to Gene, okay? He's tired from skiing. I'm tired from skiing. My back hurts.
Your back hurting, Gene?
My back's hurting, my hips.
Trade's over. Trade's over, everyone. Another scalp. Jesus. Well, 2 scalps. Well, we followed the plan, so what can we do? Made some money at least. 2 scalps. So it should be a decent green day for you all so far. Nothing crazy.
What's up, dog? Dun, dun, dun.
What are we thinking, YouTube, TikTok?
The games with the price action.
Anybody making some sushi money this morning with me?
Yeah, Gene fell once or twice. Or 20 times. The first 2 days. First 2 days were a bit rough.
Yes, it is. Look, it's always good to lock in some. Yeah, it's gonna be. I believe we're just gonna have a tough December month, but you know we're making a little money. We're gonna get through it. When the easy market comes back, we're gonna print together. So we're gonna capitalize. Nice. Jonathan secured another payout. That's awesome, man. Love to see you winning, Jonathan. Yep. Yes, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. I still like the downside, everyone. It just wicked me out twice. 2 winning trades, but we got hit our entry before we could get another trim off. It's perfect time to ask any questions you all may have. Something you're having, a hard time getting answered. Maybe you can't find it on Google about trading. I'll do my best. Give it a try. That's right, Wes. Japan's under a tsunami warning. Stay safe, my friends in Japan. And I swing trade them mostly, or sell. I sell options for income as well. Do I do my own real estate? Do I own any real estate rentals? I own quite a bit, but I'm not making no money from my real estate yet. I expect I will down the road, but not making no money yet from them. Do I care about trading the last couple of weeks of the year? I mean, it's not going to be ideal trading conditions. I think we all know that, but I do plan on showing up here for you all to trade with, hang out with. We'll catch a trade if we, if we get the confirmation. How do I feel about personal funded accounts? Like your own funded? Nothing wrong with that. If you don't like prop firms, you can do that. If you don't have the capital, prop firms can help you build up the capital to fund your own. But nothing wrong with them. I prefer to trade my personal account before trading like prop firms, but I trade both. I think both are, if you can manage both and still make money, I recommend to do it. But if you can't, I struggle with it sometimes. And I've slowed down a lot with it as well. Used to, I was trading with you all, I'd have like 30 accounts going or something crazy. I'd make a mistake and it would really just affect my day. And it's just because I was trying to multitask. I had too much going on. So these days, I typically trade one or the other, so I don't mess up and just lose money when it's not.
I guess
Lose money for no reason,
I'll retrace it back to this like midpoint of the day. That's the only other potential short I'd see. But if we hold above our 15-minute low and 5-minute low with a reversal candle, then it's not something I typically like to short. So
Trade of 8, yeah, I like trade of 8 if you're gonna fund your own, yes.
Do you stay reject or do not follow?
Just read their margin requirements for M and Q. You could start an account with 2,000, just trade light with M and Q.
no.
Trying shorts again if we get a pull back up, everyone. Not right here. A little too much risk in this area.
It stops above like 82 or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna give them one more try here. I'm trying to catch the move with continuation. If you all are wondering what I'm doing here, the scalps are okay.
What's the big short?
Yeah, the big short. All right, I started my position again. In shorts.
In the shorts.
M and Q shorts. My last trade. You should position, if you took them first two with me, even if this hits or stop, you should still be green. Don't risk all your profits.
I don't mind the entry either. If we move back to like 62, it's the high here of 80. It's the low of day 20. What's your stop going to be, Grizzly?
It's going to be 781.
Yeah, pretty like 80.
Yeah, 781 exactly.
Hopefully it don't matter what your stop is because it won't hit it.
Yeah, hopefully we just have a massive move down. We get the continuation.
Stop, what's a stop?
Seven 753 was, or sorry, yeah, 753 was my entry. I'm about to sneeze.
Actually, it's really good.
If this doesn't go down, I'm okay being wrong, but it looks like a great setup to the downside here.
It does look good.
Yeah. We just have to lose that previous day point of control. That's been our support for the last 20 minutes or so.
This downside looks good for you, Grizzly Glock.
The previous day point of control has dad strength this morning. We need further. In this trade, it really doesn't matter where you add more at, as long as you keep the same stop. If you want to add more when we get higher up, just make sure you keep your same stop. I wouldn't average down too heavy, but
I'm trying to piece the shorts for you too, Grizzly. I'm adding another piece, guys. Try the shorts up there. It stops at 78. I'm gonna target a 1-to-1 trade here.
print for us.
It's Monday, so I probably shouldn't join you guys.
You can do it.
Bring-
We're gonna make
bring
some
back.
money.
Yeah, 50 to 60 is the area I like with stops above like 80, 81.
Come on.
Come on, push down. There is a chance too, guys, in this trade to close it before a price target of 720. So you're aware. I'll let you guys know if I
Give it to us.
take it early.
Nice.
There we
Trim.
go.
I trimmed everyone for my
Okay,
entry.
Screw it. Trimming early, guys.
Nice. Stops are at my entry now. If this is a scalp, or we get continuation, it's still going to be my last trade. I've taken 3 trades trying to get this moved down. I'm going to put my stop at 755 now. If we hit 755, I will be done for the day.
Above that 5-minute candle high.
Yeah.
I like that too. I'm gonna trail my stop down to 750, 755 too.
I feel like if we break above that, we're probably going to retest that previous candle high, and I don't want to
Didn't
give
get my
back.
price target Monday. I literally don't care.
Come on,
Monday, I like to see my price target of 720.
come on, do it.
Come on, come on.
Gosh. Let's give us low a day. That's what we want. That's awesome. There we go. We're in the 20s now. 8 more points down here. There we go. Trim again. Trim again. Nice trade, everyone. That's what we wanted. This is the trade I wanted in the beginning.
I'm gonna move my stop down to 7. I totally missed that trim in there. I wasn't even paying attention. Wow. I'm gonna set my stops now at 746. 746. Stops are at 746. Come on. Nice green day, everybody. We'll take it.
Yes, we will. I would like to see Asia low for our next trim around that 25,007 or our next sell. I'll be completely out because I don't have another to leave running. But Final price target 25,700.
We'll take it, baby.
We will.
2 winners. 2 winners.
All right. It hit. I have my. I moved. I trailed a little tight there. It got my trade. I'm out of this. It got my order.
I can't live it in and take that trim down there. I'm out of this trade, guys. I'm out of this trade back at break even. Got 1 trim off down there. Didn't get my trim at 720. I wasn't paying attention. So I did not get my trim that I wanted down there at 720s, but we'll take it. We'll take a dub. We'll take a dub where we can get it.
Whew.
We will take 2 dubs, as a matter of fact. 2 dubs.
That's my third on the day. We've had 3 all.
Gaines, Grizzly, and Pay Dunn showed up today.
That's right.
Grizzly, Gaines, and Pay Dunn. Gaines, Grizzly, and Pay Dunn.
What do you think, YouTube, TikTok? We had to work for them, for that one, but we got it. We got the move we wanted. We didn't get the final price target, but we got 2 trims off. Then it hit hit my
We'll take it.
my put my runners in profits. So
On Monday? Oh, this is gonna want a reversal now.
I didn't have coffee. That's what it was. You're right, future fan. It's that coffee. You all have any more questions for me, YouTube or TikTok? I don't want to keep you all here any longer because we've had 3 winners, all live together. There's no point in taking any more trades, so you know, we trade for freedom of time. Now we can just go work on other incomes, you know, work on creating high income skills, whatever. Remember, everyone.
All right, guys.
Hold on one sec.
Monday roll call.
Real quick, everyone. I'm going to say this before I go. If you all want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Take Profit, look at Apex, use code Grizzly, see which one you like the best, check them out. Helps me out some, and hopefully helps you all out with these lives, you know, as far as reaching, learning, or passing evals and learning together. So, sorry I was reading something dumb in my DMs there. Appreciate the follows. I'll see you in the morning. We're going to live trade all this week together, okay? I need everyone here. Market open. Market open. Be here.